Introducing PRISM, AI-based immersive learning experience platform. Okay, let's start from the top. PRISM is designed to provide a highly engaging, immersive learning experience with you at the center. It's the whole deal. You'll get to learn, practice, assess, apply your learning, gain insights, and personalize your learning journey, all without ever leaving PRISM. Let me show you how. Learn. Get ready for a seamless experience with live instructor-led training, on-demand learning, and a blended program. Explore engaging on-demand videos created by industry experts, smart flashcards, interactive ebooks, and recall quizzes. Stuck anywhere? Don't worry. PRISM assigns an expert exclusively to you for one-to-one mentoring. We'll be there to clarify your doubts and provide guidance like a guardian angel. When it comes to learning and achieving perfection, practice makes all the difference. So, we have just the thing to help you practice better. Playground Labs. Access your perfect practice environment anytime, anywhere. With our guided, hands-on exercises, you don't have to wait for on-the-job training. You'll hit the ground running with project-ready skills. Okay, now you've found the perfect place to practice. But how do you assess yourself as you go? Go ahead, test your understanding at every stage with preliminary level, module level, final assessments. We've got a wide range of question types, from multiple choice to code-based, all automatically graded for instant feedback. The best part? Oh, there are many best parts. You can apply your knowledge by building real-world projects in our integrated cloud labs. It's your chance to showcase your abilities in practical, real-world scenarios. As you complete assessments and assignments, you'll gain key insights into your progress. Our system analyzes your performance and provides deep insights, helping you identify your strengths and areas that need improvement. Follow recommendations and enhance your skill proficiency. All you need to go from where you are to where you want to get at your fingertips. And that's not all. We believe that learning should be fun, and PRISM does just that. Daily streaks, points, and badges will keep you motivated to achieve bigger and brighter milestones. Plus, you'll compete with the best learners from around the world. Wait, there's more. We want you to harness the transformative power of social learning. That's why we've created collaborative spaces. You can connect with fellow learners, share insights, and learn from each other's experiences in discussion forums, group interactions, and one-to-one messaging. Go ahead, collaborate, gain different perspectives, and expand your network. With PRISM, businesses can predictably build and transform tech skills, deliver better products to market faster, set their top technology priorities, index the skills of their organization, and drive and measure progress over time. It's why fast-growing companies are getting on PRISM. They understand that it will help them keep up with the pace of change and grow faster than their competition. So, what is your company doing? What are your training budgets? And essentially, what should you be learning next?